It's beer review! We got the SnackBerry coming. This was supposed to drop last week. Something happened. And the butcher pulled it. But we have it this week. This is Wednesday. It drops tomorrow. This is brand new. This is why I started my channel. To get it out to you. Whether or not you should buy this one. SnackBerry. I mean, you can't see any of the reading. So I'm not, whatever. Okay, we got SnackBerry. SnackBerry is 7.5 ABV. It's hopped with Citra and Medusa. It's a double IPA milkshake. Another one of my favorites. It is brewed with strawberry, pink guava. I live close to Berwyn. And vanilla. So tasting notes are ripe guava, plump strawberry, and creamy vanilla. I wrote that one. So let's get it cracking. I can smell all that fruit in there. I lost it. The first one hit me, now it just smells like nothing. Alright, let's get a nice slow pour. Oh, you can see the fruit in that one. So that's hazy. It's got a reddish hue to it. I'm getting this up, the whole thing in here. Oh yeah. Oh, there's the small vanilla. That vanilla's hitting hard. Vanilla's the only thing I can smell right now. Oh, I lost it again. I love their milkshakes. Blazed Orange was the first one I've ever had. Thank you, Joe. So let's drink it. All right. A lot happened there. All right, the vanilla's coming through hard. Strawberries there. The guava, barely. I mean, the vanilla is so hard, and the fruits are there so much that I can't taste that Citra. Pretty smooth. Vanilla's overpowering. Like I always say, give it a chance. If you're expecting one thing in your head, you drink it, throws you off. The vanilla stays on the front. I don't know about this one. It's juicy, for sure. Starting to lose the vanilla. That's definitely a plus. This has got a Ribbit vibe. If you liked Ribbit, you'd love this one. That's what I'm trying to do here. If you dug the Ribbit, you dig this one. The vanilla is pretty much disappearing. I was having an issue with that. The beer's totally changed. I'm going to take a few more before I can rate this. This is a newbie. It's not rated. New one. Like I said, it's supposed to come out last week. I don't know what happened. Maybe the Hopbutcher will one day let us know. This is totally reminding me of Ribbit. It's starting to taste good. This is a tough one. It's right on that verge of 4.5. Am I going to run out and get another one? I got to keep drinking. That vanilla's pretty much completely disappeared. This is tough. I think it's going to be a 4.25 day. Oof. I'm not going to run out and get another one, so it can't be a 4.5. 4.25. It's going to be on my list. I'll buy another 4-pack when it comes out. It's delicious. It's a Hopbutcher beer. Don't let the 4.25 throw you off. If you like Ribbit, you'll love it. If you like milkshakes, you'll love it. Is it up there with Blazed Orange? Doesn't taste like Blazed Orange. It tastes like Ribbit. That's all I got for you guys.